बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एंड एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ जस्टिस यूनिट 1, इसकी एक्सरसाइज का आज हम ओरल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स से रिलेटेड पार्ट देखते हैं। इसमें ये बेसिकली स्पीकिंग स्किल्स से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी है और इसमें कम्युनिकेशन यानी ओरल कम्युनिकेशन आपस में बातचीत करना उसको बोलते हैं। यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो एक्टिविटी है फॉर्म ग्रुप्स एंड डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग, यानी हमने क्लास में ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं और डिस्कस करना है। डिस्कस करने के लिए जो टॉपिक है वो है व्हाट रिफॉर्म्स डिड द रसूल ख़ातमुन नबिय्यीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ब्रिंग टू द जुडिशल सिस्टम ऑफ अरब, यानी रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कौन सी इस्लाहात की थी अरब के अदालती निज़ाम में बेहतरी लाने के लिए क्या इस्लाहात की थी। तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक तरह से माइंड मैप के लिए एक स्केच दिया है। वो क्या है कि यूज़ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशंस टू एक्सप्लेन योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्लियरली, यानी अपना आप अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ये एक्सप्रेशन यूज़ कर सकते हैं। यानी स्टार्ट यहाँ से ले सकते हैं कि इन माई ओपिनियन, और आप आगे अपने वर्ड्स में बयान कर सकते हो। एंड देन यू मॉडिफाई दैट आई हैव रीड दैट आई बिलीव वन कैन सेफली से, वन कैन से एज फार एज आई अंडरस्टैंड, एज फार एज आई कैन सी एंड सो ऑन, यानी आप अपना कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो कोई जो भी आप अपना आगे देना चाहते हो, ठीक है। और एज फार एज आई नो एंड सो ऑन, फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो, यानी जिससे मैंने जाना कि वो सारा ये जो सेंटेंसेस का स्टार्ट्स है ये आप ले सकते हो और ये आप एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द conversation we can start that in that way, in my opinion, यानी ये जो हेल्प आउट के लिए जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट दिए हुए हैं वो उनसे हम आगाज़ कर सकते हैं। इन माई ओपिनियन दीज रिफॉर्म्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इंटू फ्यू पॉइंट्स। दीज पॉइंट्स आर एज आई हैव रीड दैट इक्वालिटी बिफोर द लॉ, इक्वालिटी मीन एवरी वन इज़ इक्वल in the eyes of law, and there should be equality between everyone, even they rich or poor, they smaller, younger or elder, everyone, each and everyone is equal in the before the law, okay. And next point is I believe one can say that evidence and testimony to seeking the truth, there should be the victim should prove himself as a evidence and testimony about seeking the truth, okay. And then I believe as far as I understand that there should be due process. There's due process based on evidence, fair trial, accused has the right to defend, ठीक है। यानी जो भी जो प्रोसीडिंग है वो बेस्ड ऑन एविडेंस हो, यानी उसमें गवाहों पर बेस करता हो, गवाही हो, फेयर ट्रायल हो, यानी मुनसिफाना उसका जो प्रोसीडिंग है कार्रवाई है वो हो, एंड अक्यूज्ड हैज़ द राइट टू डिफेंड, यानी उसके पास अपने आप को डिफेंड यानी दिफा करने का उसके पास हक हो, यानी वो उसको अपने आप को प्रूफ दे सकता है अपनी बेगुनाही का, ठीक है। तो एज फ्रॉम व्हाट आई नो दैट जस्टिस एंड मर्सी इज़ द बेसिक पार्ट ऑफ द जस्टिस, and justice is not that the punishment is the conclusion, but there is also a reconciliation and forgiveness. The victims and offended should reconcile one another and forgive each other. This is the part of justice also, Okay, then we can say that prohibition of bribery and corruption before Islam, pre-Islamic time. There is a bribery. There was bribery and corruption everywhere in the society, and the rich offered the bribery to save themselves from the punishment. And after Islam, after prevailing Islam, the prohibition of bribery and corruption is also necessary to maintain the law and order in the society. Okay, the next we can say that the codification of laws, where the laws from derived. Okay, we can say that we derived the laws from the Quran and Sunnah, and we codified the laws from the Islamic fiqh. Okay, the next one, the role of judges. Role of judges, we can say that judges should be have just knowledge, and they should be impartial, and their character should be fair and just and honestful, and they should be free from corruption. They have two impartial decisions for making the law, and they had just knowledge, free from corruption. Okay, and we can say in that protection of rights. Everyone has rights, and there should be careful for the rights of women, orphans, and the weak people, and their rights should be protected. So the maintain the law and order in the society. So in conclusion, we can say that to bringing the judicial system of Arab, the reforms Rasul had did the in specific terms, we can say that equality before law, and everyone equal in the eyes of law, evidence and testimony to seeking the truth, due process based on evidence, fair truth, and fair trial. Accused has the right to defend, and justice and mercy, reconciliation and forgiveness is very important for the law and order in the society, and prohibition of bribery and corruption, and codification of laws is very necessary to maintain the law and maintain the justice in the society. Role of judges is very important, and in the last and the final part of that reforms is that protection of rights is very important. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास जो यानी फर्स्ट टॉपिक से रिलेटेड हमने ये डिबेट या कह लें डिस्कशंस जो है वो उससे हम यानी ये पॉइंट ले सकते हैं, पॉइंट यानी हम ये डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है व्हाट मेजर्स शुड वी टेक टू ब्रिंग जस्टिस इन आवर सोसाइटी. यानी हम अपने माशरे में क्या इक़दाम उठा सकते हैं, क्या इक़दाम हमें करने चाहिए इंसाफ को लाने के लिए, इंसाफ को लागू करने के लिए या इम्पोज करने के लिए हमें माशरे में क्या इक़दाम करने चाहिए. यूज़ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशंस टू सपोर्ट योर ओपिनियन विद रीज़न्स. यानी अपने जो आप राय देना चाह रहे हैं उसको दलाइल के साथ देने के लिए आप ये एक्सप्रेशन जो हैं वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कौन कौन से? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई थिंक, यानी यहाँ से आप स्टार्ट ले सकते हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट बट आई आल्सो थिंक दैट. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ देयर आर वेरियस रीजंस फॉर दिस, या फिर ऐसे कह सकते हैं देयर आर सेवरल रीजंस फॉर दैट एंड देयर आर मैनी रीजंस फॉर दिस. Firstly, secondly, moreover, furthermore, in addition, یعنی ان میں سے کوئی بھی یوز کر سکتے ہیں. اینڈ ادر امپورٹنٹ پوائنٹ از دیٹ اینڈ سو آن. فائنلی اٹس مین کنکلوژن. اوکے, تو وی کین سے دیٹ relating to topic, what measures should we take to bring justice in our society. To bringing justice in our society, there are various approaches that we should take care, that we should have to consider. First of all, I think strengthening the role of law, یعنی جو قوانین کے جو اصول ہیں ان کو مضبوط کرنا, یعنی قوانین کو مضبوط کرنے کی ضرورت ہے. فرسٹ آف آل, دا اسٹرینتھنگ دا رول آف لا. لاز آر اپلائنگ یونیفارملی ٹو ایوری ون, یعنی ایچ اینڈ ایوری پرسن از ایکول یونیفارم in the before the laws. Okay, and then we can say that not only that, but I also think that the judicial independence is very important to bringing the justice in our society. Judicial system should free from political pressure and the proceeding of without any external pressure should maintain the justice in the society. And then we can say that there were several reasons for this, to that independence, bringing independence in judicial system. We can say that access to justice, legal assistance available to everyone, and everyone should have the right to defend herself or himself, and they have right to defend himself. Okay, then we can say that transparency and accountability. Transparency means there would be equal, everyone is equal before the law, eyes of law, and promote laws, rules and regulations in the society, and implementation of laws in the society to maintain the justice. Okay, then we can say that moreover we can say that the public awareness and education is also important to maintain the justice in society. Rules and regulations regarding different problems should be teaching at school level, at school, college level, and public, in this matter public should be aware by teaching the rules and regulations. And then we can say that restoration justice practice, reconciliation and forgiveness between two parties, dialogue between two parties, and that is victim and offenders. They should have to dialogue between them and reconcile and forgive to each other. This is an other important point that they maintain restorative justice practice. Okay, to maintain the justice, and this is another important point. Okay, the next one is effective law enforcement. Effective law should be imposed in society, and the reward and punishment is also necessary for the culprits and the innocent people should be rewarded. And the next one is community involvement. To maintain justice, community involvement should be also play an important major part to maintain the justice. And community leaders and organization also help to maintain the justice in the society. They lead to justice process to maintain the justice law and order situation in the society, to maintain the law and order situation in the society. And in the last, we can say that legislative reforms should be reviewed and update step by step, and update the laws processing. And we should, in conclusion, we say that strengthening the rule of law, laws applying uniformly to everyone, judicial independence, free from political and external pressure. Judicial system should be free from political and external pressure. Access to justice, everyone have to legal assistance available to everyone. And transparency and accountability should be promoted and implemented. And public awareness and education is also important. Protection of rights, fundamental human rights should be protected, and to maintain the justice in society. And restoration, or we can say that reconciliation and forgiveness, dialogue between victim and offenders is also important. And effective law enforcement, impose the laws effectively. And community involvement should also play a major role in the maintaining the justice in the society. And the community leaders and organization in the justice process should be carry on. And legislative reforms review the laws and update the rules and law condition in the maintaining the justice in our society. So these are the main points, and we should follow the rules and regulations to maintain the justice in our society. Firstly, it's our duty to follow the rules and regulations, and don't break the law in any situation. Okay, I hope you have gotten the points. And if you have learned something useful from this video, please press the like button, and share the video with your friends and siblings. And if you are the new one on this channel, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you receive the new notification of new lesson. And remember me in your prayers. See you soon in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.